Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Since I am not feeling well, I couldn't post videos in our channel. Today, I came up with a beautiful property which is Sattva Songbird located in Budikare Cross. When you see the location of this property, it has best connectivity from all the sites. Like if you want best school, if you want best hospital, if you want to work in IT park, everywhere it is connected. Coming to the model house, when you see this model house, it tempts you to design your house in the same way. If you want to do so, then save this video, pass this to your interiors, they will get the interiors done for you. If you don't have option of interiors, please contact us on the displayed number, so we will help you out with the interiors also. Then coming to the property, it is located in Budikare Cross. So as I said you earlier, it has best connectivity. And coming to the property, again coming to the brand Sattva, as you all are aware, they are one of the best reputed builders in Bangalore. So here where mornings begin with bird song and evenings settle into a peaceful silence. This is the model of Sattva Songbird Apartments. So, a home inspired by nature, balance, and mindful living. This is the model of the row house and apartment as well. So, we have a beautiful, see, this is the 3D of that row house, and coming to the, this is the full structure of the building. Since it is a high rise building, we have so much of options. They are coming up with 4 towers and 58 luxury row houses, which offers 1, 3, 2 and 2.5 BHK, total of 1321 units. So we have so much of different configurations, which is starting from 468 square feet to 1813 square feet, and with 4 BHK row houses ranging from 3336 to 3543 square feet, and the possession is by 2029. So still to brief you more, we have studios starting from 468 to 480 square feet, 2 BHK starting from 1268 to 1280 square feet, 2.5 BHK 1389 to 1398 square feet, 3 BHK 1733 to 1813 square feet, 4 BHK row houses 3336 and 3543 square feet we have options. The basic structure is 2 basement plus ground plus 30 and 31 floors are available. So amenities, we have 40 plus modern amenities here, including 4 clubhouses, swimming pool, gymnasium, jogging track and landscaped gardens. So coming to the location, it is situated on Budigare main road, which is near NH75. So coming to the safety wise, it is 24/7 security and firefighting systems, and CCTV surveillance is enveloped. And coming to the unit specification, they have the windows UPVC with mosquito mesh and doors RCC frame, and power backup is 100% power backup is available. Coming to project wise, this is a premium project for Sattva. So they are doing it with very good quality. So these are all the whole details about this songbird. If you are willing to buy this, so contact us immediately. We will arrange for the site visit so that we assure you to get the best price along with the best unit which you would like to choose. So coming to the house wise, as I said you, there are multiple configurations and you don't need to worry about the ventilation. The ventilation here is very good. Even it is structured as per like that, so we will be getting more lights. And coming to vastu wise, they are comparatively to other homes it is better. Then This is the entire model of this Sattva Songbird. So I'll show you. So we are having so much of options here, and at the same time so much of people rushing because of their connectivity, and then the best, like you are having the payment terms. Once the floor rise, you can pay it accordingly, and once you sold out or once you sell it, you will get the best return out of it. So it is wise to invest when it is under construction. Once it is constructed, already it has reached the maximum of their appreciation. So it is better if you invest in under construction. As this is under construction now, it is best time to invest. If you want to invest, please contact us. We will give you the best price. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. Once again, thank you all for watching this video.